Welcome to the virtual 360 walking tour of the Rio Grande Gorge Bridge, one of the most breathtaking landmarks in the United States. Today, we invite you to embark on a mesmerizing journey as we explore the iconic bridge spanning the Rio Grande River in New Mexico. Get ready to experience the natural wonder and architectural marvel from every angle through our immersive 360-degree view. So without further ado, let's begin our adventure. Take a moment to appreciate the engineering brilliance behind this bridge. Its sleek steel arch design ensures stability, making it resilient to the strong winds that often sweep through the gorge. Here we stand on the Rio Grande Gorge Bridge, perched 600 feet above the river, offering stunning panoramic views of the rugged landscapes below. As we take our first steps, look out over the vast expanse and marvel at the surrounding beauty. This bridge was completed in 1965, and at the time of its construction, it held the title for the second highest bridge in the United States. It was designed by architect George S. Richardson and has since become an iconic symbol of New Mexico. Feeling adventurous? Step carefully towards the edge and gaze down to see the Rio Grande River winding through the deep canyon. The sense of height and depth is awe-inspiring and sure to leave you in wonder. The Rio Grande Gorge Bridge is not only a natural wonder, but also a significant cultural site. The region is rich in Native American history and traditions. Explore the nearby area to discover artifacts and learn about the indigenous people who once thrived there. As our virtual 360 tour of the Rio Grande Gorge Bridge comes to a close, we hope you've enjoyed this immersive experience. Remember, this is just a taste of the breathtaking beauty this bridge and the surrounding area have to offer. If you ever get the chance, don't miss the opportunity to visit in person and feel the wonder of this natural and architectural masterpiece.